Okay guys, congratulations on making it to day 3 of the MADLab video lessons at home challenge. You've come a long way since then. So I'm hoping that everyone here has already started building their wearable sculpture. I also expect some of you guys ran into some speed bumps along the way, like the material wasn't listening to you, or maybe you had to restart your design. And that's okay. When you're working with physical material, figuring out how it can bend and how much you're supposed to cut, and what qualities to highlight, or what qualities it imitates, is all part of the process. And that's why some fine artists choose to work with one specific material over and over again. Think of this as physical sketching. So, I'm hoping that by the end of today, you would have a finished object. So let's talk about the next step in completing your object, which is photographing it. You can submit 2 photos using your phone. If you want, one of the photos can be just the object, and the other one can be you or someone wearing the artwork. So what are some key pieces of advice when taking a photo? A lot of this is going to be a recap for you guys since you already did the graphic design and advertisement challenge. But let's go through it anyway. Also, because I'm using an iPhone, I'm not sure if other phones like Androids or other ones have the same capabilities, so let me know if these tips still work out or not. When taking a photo of just your object, try and get it away from whatever backdrop that you have. If possible, use a white sheet of paper or even something like a white pillowcase or a t-shirt. The same could be said for a black sheet or something dark and black like a sweater or blanket. If possible, you're also going to need a small lamp or light to shine on either your object or your background, depending on which color backdrop you use. You're going to want to shine your light on your backdrop if it's white, and you're going to want to shine your light on your object if it's black. Something that I recommend, and if you can do, I would suggest going for, is to select the square option on your phone when you're taking a photo. That way it makes it more cropped in, and it has less of the background showing. Next, tap the object on the screen to keep it in focus. This next part is absolutely key. As you tap it, drag your finger up to overexpose the photo and have the backdrop turn to pure white. Or, if you're using a dark backdrop, drag your finger down to underexpose your backdrop and turn it to pure black. This is why you want your object to be away from your backdrop. Because if it's being lit the same, then it will be too light or too dark, just like your background. Congratulations! You, or someone in your home, is now a model that has been chosen to represent your awesome new design. But is it just enough to wear it and snap a photo? Why not try and build off your design by choosing what you wear to complement it? Or maybe strike a pose that further highlights the qualities of the animals that you are referencing. Try and expand on your photo by selecting where you take your picture. Is there a way you can pull the color of your object throughout in the background by placing objects in the background of the same color? Or maybe you can stage a scene. The possibilities are up to you. Okay guys, post these photos on the Google Classroom and try and have fun with them too. Just because your object is finished doesn't mean your creativity is.